3D grid processing. The system will default to a split screen depicting both the cross-section 2D view on the right side and depicting the 3D image on the left side. The CX system's 3D imaging capability relies on the principle of migration described heretofore in the 2D function overview for depth calibration. An important step to achieve an optimized image of the concrete media is to scroll through your data selecting the X or Y icon. The 2D window on the right side of the screen is the non-migrated view of the profile. Scroll through the profiles until you find a good representative hyperbola. This profile is what you will be using to adjust your velocity settings for optimal migration, so be sure you have several hyperbolas on screen that are a good representation of the grid project as a whole. To optimize this process, select the wrench icon and select Velocity Settings. From this menu, you can adjust the gain while completing the migration, and you can adjust the background removal filter. In the Velocity Settings, the selected 2D view is displayed from the Velocity Settings menu. Turn the migration to On and adjust the velocity level to change the shape of the hyperbola. As you increase the velocity level, you will notice the hyperbola begins to collapse. Continue to increase the velocity until you have a singular point instead of a hyperbola. The following are 3 examples of migrated data. Example 1, under-migrated. Example 2, over-migrated. Example 3, just right. Please note that the same filters are available in the velocity settings as is in the other CX menus. Once the data is properly migrated, select the OK button to apply the changes to the main grid project. The system then reverts back to the grid project processing screen. From the grid project screen, one can scroll up and down through the 3D concrete volume by selecting the depth icon and moving the horizontal cursor on the 2D window up or down. The depth of the image surface is displayed within the icons or along the vertical axis of the 2D section.